Good morning, everybody. Welcome back to Cilinix Crypto. Welcome to your daily update on XRP. Yesterday's update did very well, of course, because XRP did very well. XRP really is the main character right now because it's been doing great. And if you followed my channel, then welcome back, and you know that I covered XRP quite extensively in the last basically since this bullish breakout, but I've tried to cover it almost daily, basically since the end of the since the big news in July, which we all remember, right? This news. So yeah, I've been covering this. Yesterday we talked about yesterday we saw that XRP had broken above this channel right here, which I'm going to delete right now because I think it's more interesting to take a look at it a different way, but I'll show you. But yeah, broke out of that channel on 2 days ago in the evening actually, and then it just continued rallying up to the price target which we talked about yesterday, between 70 and 72 cents. So now the big question obviously is can it rally up higher? The next price target in my eyes is around 75 cents. That's a big psychological resistance level. But apart from that, if you take a look at the daily time frame, it's starting to get weird around these areas, all right? Because the most recent resistance we have is after that huge news, the 13th of July. And that is obviously, then the price was very volatile. So we cannot be sure if resistance levels and key levels made back then will be respected. But apart from that, luckily, 75 cents is also a psychological level. So yeah, got a bit of a sell-off because right now, see, we can spend a lot of time talking about what makes XRP bullish. Yesterday, excuse me, I have a little bit of a runny nose, not sure why, but so yesterday we talked about some potential things. There's some news going on right now of XRP. I think personally it's just very attractive to whales and funds and investors. Because you can see, and that's also what we've been talking about for days now, that it basically went up in these big impulses, in these big buy orders, right? So you get these big spikes where the volume went up a lot as well, where just a group of people just buys a lot of dollars in XRP. And what we saw yesterday, like a drop like this, that's also probably them selling. So that's a bit of a bearish confirmation. They haven't sold everything, but you can see that if you take a look at the open interest, it's just a big drop. Like they closed about, let's say they closed about $100 million in positions. So it's, yeah, I mean, in the end, XRP, I think, is still bullish, but you should know that there are groups behind this who bought a lot of XRP, who will try to make a profit off of it. And making a profit inherently means causing bearish momentum. So for now, I would say we're still bullish. I think the main support level right now for XRP is really this area right here, between, let's say, 67 and 65 cents. All right, so as long as it holds that, and I do still expect it to get towards 75 cents. So what I expect is that it holds this level and then eventually at some point of time breaks back above 70 cents because it gave up that level earlier, breaks above that level and rallies up higher. That's partially because I do think XRP right now is very strong. I think partially also that a lot of investors are seeing the long-term potential and the long-term strength in Ripple. And I'm still bullish on Bitcoin. So that should help as well. So that's what I expect. Now, if for some reason, like XRP has a lot of trouble breaking above 70 cents and it starts testing 66 and 65 cents more, then there's a potential that it will drop down lower, even though there's technically still quite some support at 63 cents as well. But I think that's so unlikely that if that starts to happen, I'll try to make an update on that. But for now, I just really think this is the most likely scenario. But keep an eye on that, all right? Be careful. I mean, in the end, if Bitcoin becomes very bearish, situation is different. Those are my thoughts. So that's my analysis on XRP. If you do have any questions, let me know. But for now, thank you for watching. Thank you for listening. If you want more value from me, including profitable signals, but in general, just a lot of great things to make you a better trader, links to that will be down in the description. But for now, thank you for watching. Take care and bye.